Capitalism without financial failure is not capitalism at all. It is socialism for the rich. The idea of capitalism is, if I fail, what happens? No. If a company fails, if I do not win in the marketplace, if I don't make enough profits, what happens? I suffer. Nobody else comes and saves me. That is the basic idea why capitalism is so powerful a system. It allows individual excellence, but it punishes individual failures. If Microsoft today were not a profitable company, no matter it gave the world its the first software and everything, the most user-friendly experience, it would not be respected. Despite all the problems within Infosys, why is Infosys such a big success outside? Because of what reason? It wins every quarter. Quarter after quarter, when the economy is bad, still the profits are swelling. So, if the company wins, it gains everything. But if it loses, what does capitalism say? Is it for bailing out? If you lose in the marketplace, you go bankrupt, you go to the jail, you do whatever. That is what capitalism is. Now, what happened in the US in 2008 was very dramatic. Every big company that went bankrupt, they were saved by the government, or that were on the brink of disaster, they were saved. So that is socialism for the rich. Socialism means there is no risk. The government will feed me for sure. Ideal socialism. Ideal socialism is there is no risk at all. It's such a bad message to the entire world. The message is, if you are very, very big as a company, do whatever, you are not allowed to fail. It's too big to fail. Too big to fail, have you heard that logic? Why is it too big to fail? Why is a company too big to fail? Impact on others, jobs, strikes, riots on roads. So the government is generally very scared of all this thing. But this concept is so flawed now. If you say capitalism was you excel, you get all the rewards. You fail, you get all the punishment. Today, if you fail, condition is very important. One condition is important. If you fail, and what is that one condition? If you are very big. Yeah, if you are very big as a company, then there is no failure. The government will come and save you. That is socialism for the rich. So the companies are not bothered. They are not bothered over the customers anymore. That is what has actually happened. What is the objective of any country's central bank? Fiscal policy. There are only two things. One is monetary policy. The other is inflation. It is never that Reserve Bank of India should bail out companies. If tomorrow some company were to go bankrupt in Bangalore, this is not we have heard that RBI would come in and chip in and would bail that company out. Have you heard something? This is what happened but here. This is what exactly happened. So this is not the way central banks were ever formed. Federal Bank is the central bank of the US, RBI is the central bank of India, you used to have ECB, European Central Bank of Europe. That was not their purpose.